morning, friends. In today's class, let us discuss simple English as usual. So, my learners of English are very much interested to learn simple, easy English. So, let's have good, effective, important examples to learn English much easier way. I request you all to please subscribe my channel and please leave a comment in the comment box, like and share this video for other viewers and learners of English. Dear learners of English, in this class, let us take one verb phrase, one verbal phrase. It is look at. We all study this simple verb. We use it in our daily English. Look. Look means seeing at something. Looking at means seeing at something. We are seeing something or some person or some book or some paper like that. When we are using this look at, let us first discuss the basic meaning and its usage. We discussed the basic meaning of look at, seeing something, studying something, watching something. Okay, let us use it in simple sentences, in simple English. You are looking at a picture. You are looking at a picture in your mobile gallery, in the gallery. Okay, she has visited a museum. She is looking at the exhibits. She is looking at the paintings. And he is looking at the papers in the file. All these three examples. He is looking at the papers in the file and she is looking at the exhibits. She is looking at the paintings in the exhibition and you are looking at the portraits, pictures in the phone gallery. These three usages, they carry the same meaning. It means the man, he is looking at the papers in the file. It means that he is verifying the papers in the file. Maybe he is studying them, he is reading them, he is verifying them, he is looking at the papers. Okay. And she has visited a museum and she is looking at the paintings. She is watching the paintings, she is seeing the paintings, she is understanding the theme of the paintings, like that. And next example, you are looking at the photos in your mobile gallery. It means you are seeing the photos, you are seeing the pictures, you are verifying the pictures and you are watching them one by one, like that. So these three examples are very comfortable to use. So you can pick any situation to use look at. I think that I have made this meaning clear to you in the usage. So use look at to have similar meanings in your daily English. Next, coming to another meaning of look at. Look at has other usages also. Let us discuss one example here. There are some students and their maths teacher came to class and she has given them some problems from mathematics, some maths problems. She asked the students to work out on the problems given to them. The students, they are discussing how best they could solve the problems, how best they could work out the maths sums, so that here we can use the same phrase in a different usage. The students are looking at the methods to solve the maths problems. The students are looking at the methods to solve the maths problems. Here it means they are thinking how best they could reach the solution. So something you are critically thinking and to reach a plan or a decision, a solution, then in that context also you can use look at, dear students. Let us go for another example. Father in the family wants to save money because his family budget is increasing. The family cost is increasing, so that he wants to save money. How could he save electricity bill? How could he save grocers expenditure? How could he save other expenses? Like that, he is thinking. So, he is thinking critically to find a solution. So, father is looking at ways to save the money in the family. Father is looking at the ways to save the money in the family. The students are looking at the methods to solve the maths problems. You have a sister. Your sister is a graduate and she wants to get a job. So she is searching for jobs. She is finding all ways and means to get a job. Here you can make the same usage like this. Your sister is looking at the ways to get a job. It means she is reading the newspapers and she is watching the advertisements in the newspaper classifieds. She is also watching TV news, employment news. So she is looking at the ways to get a job. This is also one of the similar usages. In the first part of this session, we discussed look at as seeing something. In the second part of the session, we have discussed the meaning of look at as thinking something critically to find a solution. So, I thought that I have made this point clear to all. Please, I request you all to please practice this usage in your daily English. I request you all to please subscribe my channel and to please give your valuable comments and to please give a like and share this session. Thank you. Thank you very much.